Today, White House officials visited VA hospitals here in Ohio to address patient delays and third-rate care. And tonight, Alexandra Lewis shows how a new law could transform the way we care for our veterans. Alex?
Many lawmakers admit that these federal facilities just don't have the capacity to handle the 8 million veterans that visit the VA hospitals each year. And that's why this new law would call for an immediate solution before a permanent one is created.
They've delayed my diagnosis on cancer for months.
Delays, equipment failures, apologies. This former War Marine lost his manhood to cancer while receiving care at the Dayton VA Medical Center.
That's the standard operating procedure of the VA is, stand you in a line, make you wait, and then jerk you around.
This heartbreaking story, like many across the country, is the reason for a White House probe into veteran care.
To get access, the waiting lists are too long. That says we obviously have work to do.
Senator Sherrod Brown is on the committee writing legislation that demands an end to delays.
Veterans who have had long delays or live a long way from, in a rural area, a long way from a VA facility, ought to be able to go to a local hospital or community health center.
And those responsible for alleged poor care would be punished.
The executives at the VA who may have either turned a blind eye towards or actually committed some of these abuses to make sure they're disciplined, perhaps terminated.
Yet punishment after the fact provides little solace to the likes of William Kessler or former Marine Dale Walker, fighting a losing battle to lung and heart disease.
We don't mean nothing. How does that make you feel? You can tell.
Give those veterans a chance to get health care elsewhere until the VA can scale up and be ready to continue to give the high quality care they give.
The legislation, which also calls for more doctors, nurses, and more VA facilities, is currently being negotiated on the Senate floor. Reporting live in Dayton tonight, Alexandra Lewis, Fox 45 News.